Hi guys, good evening everyone. Am I audible to you? Hi everyone. Why you are turning on cameras? Who is this Surendra? You turned on camera. Come on everyone, good evening. Yes, what is the last session we did? Field set legend also we completed. So we'll go to next level. Yeah, many of you guys need to finish your assignment. Right, shall I start the things? Come on guys. Right, entering into the next level, and you can enter introduction to HTTP. Wait, Akila. HTTP meaning already I said. Do you remember what exactly HTTP? It is designed to enable communications between clients and servers. Do you know that what I'm speaking here? It works. HTTP works as a request response protocol between a client and server. A web browser may the client and an application on computer that hosts a website may be the server. Try to understand the term perfectly here. HTTP is a transfer protocol. HTTP is a kind of communications media between client and server. Hypertext transfer protocol is nothing but it is a media. I'll show you the picture how it is looking like, so easily you people can able to understand that. HTTP level, just observe this picture, you are getting some information. So web browser, HTTP protocol going to HTTP server, And from there, it is going to CGA, Common Gateway Interface. All these things are very important. Common Gateway Interface Program and database. Hope you are understanding the things here. So two arrow marks available, two arrow marks. Left to right is giving request, right to left is giving response. Just observe that one. Right, how it is working, you can check it. So in web browser, what you are entering website, means URL. It is going to HTTP server. Then from server, it is going to CGA, Common Gateway Interface. What is this Common Gateway Interface programming? So what is that? And database, storage part. So directly, CGA meaning is what? Maybe JDBC, you heard the name? ODBC, anybody? Any of you guys having idea? JDBC, ODBC, like that? OLEDB, PDBC. So they are talking to database. I hope you're understanding. Okay. So generally, these are very simple way existed. All these are. So finally, what you people need to understand here, the Java database connectivity, Python database connectivity, Open database connectivity, there are many things are there. So from web browser, HTTP is taking the request to server, then server giving response, then server bringing response from server to client. So the total duty done by the HTTP. What is HTTP? It is a common language between client and server. Whatever client speaks, server can understand. Whatever server speaks, client can understand. Hope you are getting that up. Okay. So anyway, it is designed to enable communications between clients and servers. HTTP works as a request response protocol between a client and server. A web browser may be the client, and an application computer that hosts a website, maybe the server. So hope you are understanding the words here. Okay. Block diagram of HTTP. Already shown to you. HTTP request methods: get available, post available. I shown to you. Do you people remember where we are using get, where we are using post? In the Google level, what we are using? Already shown to you source code. In the Google level, what method I shown to you? Correctly, Google level, Hari. Google level I shown to you get. You want to see once again, means you can go there and open the Google and you can tell me Control U, view source code, and you can try to Control F and you can say method is equal to what available. You people check it clear. Yes, get available. Is it visible or not? You can try to check it, my dears. Okay, right. Anyway, here available. Now, for example, the different way I showed you. What that one? If you are coming to Yahoo Mail, I made the point, or Gmail, whatever it is. So just if you are going there inside, Control U, view source code, and you are getting that method is equal to post. You can observe here. Method is equal to post. Right. So all these resources available. Am I clear where we are using get, where we are using post? And you need to understand that. Right. Come down here. Try to check here. action attribute. What is the meaning of action attribute? How this is working? How simply these are getting the things? Check it once. Action attribute, this attribute is used to specify the URL of the server page to which we want to send our form data. Syntax is equal to form, name is equal to my form, action is equal to user.aspx. Observe here. So already I said action. Do you remember I shown to you action practically? Anybody? If you are entering the required input in the login screen, if you are clicking on the submit button, I redirected to HTML5 image. Anybody? Hurry, give me time. One by one, I'll come to you. Hurry, give me time. I'll come to one by one. Let me explain first theoretical things, next practical, then I'll show you difference one by one. Okay. What I said there, action, if you enter a username and password, is redirecting to, if you click the submit button, means of going to server page. Maybe Python page, maybe .NET ASPX page, maybe Java JSP page, whatever it is. Okay. Now you can, in this method, get observe here. In this method, we don't have security for our data. Correctly observe. Only limited data can be sent to the server page. This is the default method of the form. It can carry raw data from client to server. Observe, get speciality. What is get speciality? Observe. Raw data means the data which is understandable to user. Please understand correctly. Get. In this method, we don't have security for our data. And only limited data can be sent to the server page. This is only one. Right. So what data, raw data means what? Non-understandable format is called raw data. Raw data is very simple. Okay. And in this method it is. So how it is going to carry, I'll show you practically how the thing is available here. I said 1 minute, I kept in mute, and again I came within 30 seconds. Correctly listen, my dears. Okay, right. So finally get meaning understood. First of all, raw data meaning clear. Raw data meaning clear. What is the meaning of raw data? Whatever the data you entered, the same data it is going to transfer to server. That is called raw data. Observe here. So syntax level, form, action, action level, we are giving where you need to go to server page, method is equal to get. When to use get? Information sent from a form with the get method is visible to everyone. All people can able to see whatever we are entering. Get also has a limits on the amount of information to send. So you can see, observe here, and the limitation available. Okay. For example, we are coming to data of the get. Get, we'll see. Now, which level get you observed here? Which level you observed get? Google level you observed get. Correct or not? See. Google level get available. Why they used get here? Why not a post? Why get here? Why they used only get? Is there any reason available here? Available. Generally, if you are going to search, if you are practical, I'll show you Bardwaj. Give me time. Practical, I'll show you. Give me time. This is theory only. Theory level, try to understand. Practical level, try to visualize the example output. Okay, right. So get available. How many maximum characters you are entering in the search engine? Anybody? In the Google, if you are using, how many maximum characters you are entering? Particular searching you are doing. How many maximum characters you are entering? You can tell me. Anybody? You are entering 2048 characters maximum. You are in your experience, Prasad. In your experience, how many number of characters you entered maximum? Maybe 10, maybe 5, maybe 6, maybe 20. So we are entering very, very less characters. Try to understand. Get method why we are using means we can send up to how many characters we can type? 2048 characters maximum. Any of you entered 2048 characters till now? You can tell me that. Until now, anybody you entered 2048 characters? No, never. For example, I'm going to Google. I want, for example, HTML tutorials automatically coming. No, HTML. What should I type? Why should I type? Why should I type? For example, HTML. See, coming automatically. I'm not entering that. So you people need to understand these words, what I'm saying simply. So maximum 2048 characters. However, because the variables are displayed in the URL, it is possible to bookmark the page. This can be useful in some cases. Get may be used for sending non-sensitive data. Non-sensitive data. Okay, right. I'm coming back to once again. First, what is HTTP? Everybody clear? What is HTTP? Everybody clear? Come on, everybody respond now. Don't use any Telugu language. Use only English. And somebody used one Telugu word. I'll give you that. The person name also I'll give you 1 minute. Latha Bhukya. I think I don't know correct or not. Sir, Miku Mire Cheppukondi class. I didn't understand this, Lata. If possible, you can interact with me. Right, come on, remind me. HTTP clear for you? Right, very good. Right, nice, nice. So HTTP, if anybody question HTTP, what you are giving? HTTP means what you are giving? Communication between client and server. Communication between client and server, Ajay. Communication between client and server. Okay, right. Simple, I'll show you. For example, right now I'm giving here. This is a client. This is a server. This is a client system. This is server system. Now I'm giving this is client. This is server. Whatever client is sending, whatever server sending, both are speaking in which language? Both are speaking in which language? At least now understood. HTTP or HTTPS. HTTP or HTTPS. Every point you will understand, no doubt in that one. But if you are sitting in front of your system perfectly for knowledge, notebook compulsory, sit alone with good internet connectivity, write some important points, whichever I am delivering. Try to understand. So who is requesting server? Client requesting server. Who is responding to client? Server responding. This request and responding completely done by who? HTTP. What is HTTP? Common language between client and server. So HTTP or HTTPS, everybody clear? Very good. Everybody clear? What is S representing? What is S representing? Secure sockets layer. What purpose we are using that one? Secure sockets layer. What purpose we are using? Security, data encryption purpose. Data encryption purpose we are using. Okay, very good. So that part is clear for you. That part is clear for you. Come down. Next one. How many methods are there? How many methods are there here? 2 methods are there. What is the first one? Get method. Very good. Now, get method. What is action attribute is doing? Very simple. For example, we are having some data we entered here. Some data we entered here. Once we entered, if you click on Google search, it is going to which one? It is going to which one? It is going to which one? Server page means action. Server page means action. Action. Username you entered. Login page is there. Username entered. Password entered. You are clicking on the submit button. Going to action. Action always redirecting to which one? Action always redirecting to which one? Server page. Can you tell me server level technologies? Can you tell me web server level technologies? Anybody? Come on, come on. Come on, my dears. Very good. All these are concerned. All these are server level technologies. Remaining members, are you understanding? Are you understanding, remaining members? Clear, everybody? Right. Get level. Get is secured or non-secured? Get is secured or non-secured? Non-secured. Get is non-secured. Come on, get is secured or non-secured? How much data we can transfer? Limited data, unlimited data. Limited data, unlimited data. Limited data. Limited data. Limited. How much? How many maximum characters? How many maximum characters? 2048 characters. 2048 characters maximum. Less data giving more performance. More data giving less performance. Less data giving more performance. More data giving less performance. Hope you people understood what the points I said very clearly. Up to here, clear? Any question for me now? Now you can question. Now you have any question, please put your question in the chat box. Very good, clear. Next one. Come on. Practical is there. I'll show you practical now. Now practical I'll show you after this. Do you have any theory question? Very good. Now, already we developed get should never use sending sensitive. Do you know what is the meaning of sensitive information? Do you know any sensitive information? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of sensitive information? Username, password, come on, OTP, yes, confidential information. OTP, PIN numbers, SSN, all CVV, all these are comes under sensitive. The data which we are unable to share with third-party people or other members. The data which we never share, we are unable to share, that data we are calling as sensitive information. So sensitive information level, get suitable or not suitable? Sensitive information level, get suitable or not suitable? Very good. Not suitable. Right. Excellent. Right, guys. Already login page I developed. Do you remember? Already login page I developed. Do you remember? Come on, everybody. Login page already developed. Do you remember? Very good. The last session already we did. Same login page. Observe. Same login page. Any doubt you can tell me. No name we want. No get we want. No get we want. Right. No get we want. So correctly you can try to observe. Super. Action also I'm giving you simply HTML5.png. Anything not clear you can tell me. Method also I'm removing. In this program, anything is not clear. Already completed Bharadwaj. Many times we wrote login. Bharadwaj. Many times we wrote login. Many times we wrote submit button. Many times reset we wrote. Anybody in this code, any mistake is there? Come on. I think you didn't practice Bharadwaj. Last 2 sessions we did login. Come on. Any confused label or input or anything? Very good, Bharadwaj. Come on. Once you are observing, thing will come like this. You remember now? Already we did like this. Remember already we did like this? Yes or not? Previously we did. If I entered username, if I entered password, if I click submit button, it is going to HTML5 page. That is nothing but action. Action. Everybody clear what is the meaning of action? Everybody clear what is the meaning of action? In the real-time industry, action means what available? Server page. Server level technologies, what available? Server level technologies, what available? JSP, ASP, Python, PHP, Ruby, all these are comes under Node.js, servlet, all these are comes under server side. Okay, now if I'm not providing method is equal to get, if I'm not providing method is equal to get, by default, what available? If I'm not providing method is equal to get, what is by default method? Come on. If I'm not giving method is equal to get, by default is what? Get only. By default, get only, my dear. Get is secured or non-secured? Get is secured or non-secured? We can send limited data, unlimited data. We can send limited data, unlimited data. How many characters maximum we can send? Very good. Up to there, you are clear. Okay. Now I'm coming back. Observe everybody correctly. Okay. I'm giving my name. I'm giving password. What I'm giving also check it once. If I click on sign in button, method is equal to get available here. You can check it. Method is equal to what available here? Get available, non-secure. Okay. Now I'm clicking on the page. Observe here. Clicked. Now username, password completely visible. You can see here. Can you able to see everybody username and password? Can you able to see username and password? Enjoy. What is my password? Happy what get is doing now? Come on, come on. Very good, very happy. Give me some emojis, happy emojis. This is the main drawback of get. This is a main drawback of get. That is a reason get never used for sensitive data. At least practical time you will get everything. Practical time, you will get everything. Please wait until I show pass practical. Okay. Very good. Everything visible here. Is there any security for get? Is there any security for get? No, 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 no security. So I hope everybody you are clear about get. Come on now, read about the get now. Read about it. Observe can be cached. Cached means we can store temporary memory, cache. Get request remain in the browser history. Yes, in the browser history storing. Get request can be bookmarked. Can be bookmarked means we can use as a marking. We can use as a marking. Hope you understood. Get request should never be used dealing with sensitive data. Sensitive data. Bookmark means what? Future reference purpose, Anand. Future reference purpose, we are doing bookmark. You don't know. Bookmark meaning. Every bookmark for the future reference. What is a bookmark shortcut key? Anybody? Yeah, save the link for future reference, not the save page. Save the link for future reference. Very good. Get request should never be used dealing with sensitive data and length restrictions. Am I clear? 5 points. Practically get is clear for you now. Practically get is clear for you now. Right, very good. More examples will come, Bharadwaj. More examples will come. Right. Right. Please upload daily notes in Google Classroom. Lata is asking. You are not getting daily notes in Google Classroom, Lata? Remaining members, are you getting Google Classroom daily notes? Why she is asking again question? Lata is asking. Okay. I don't know. Some people are putting different questions. I'm not understanding your questions also. Right. She is not getting. Lata is not getting, my dears. Why, Lata, you are not getting? Can you suggest here? Lata is not getting. Remaining all you people are getting. Oh. Right. So finally, total how many methods are there here? Come on, how many methods are there? How many you are clear? Two methods are there. One you are clear. Very good. Get you are clear. Shall I go to post method now? Do you have any questions on get? Do you have any questions on get? So finally, login level get recommended or not recommended? Login level get recommended or not recommended? Login level. That's it. Come to post now. Get opposite post. In this method, we have security for our data. We can send a bulk of data to the server. Please understand here. Bulk of data. It can carry encrypted data from client to server page. Encrypted means a machine understandable format. Syntax. Now, post is secured or non-secured? Post is secured or non-secured? Very good. What is post? Information sent from form with the post method is invisible to others. Get is visible or invisible? Get is visible or invisible? Post is visible, invisible? Post is. Post completely invisible. Get is visible. Then observe here. No limits. Using post, we can send limited data, unlimited data. Using post. Using post, we can send limited data, unlimited data. Unlimited data, bulk of data. And using post, can we upload files? Using post, can we upload files? Yes, we can upload. We can upload. Up to here, theory clear. Shall I show practical example of post? Practical example of post. Come here. And just I'm changing post. I'm not changing. Observe the script once again. Any doubt you can question me. Any doubt in the script? Any doubt in the script? No doubt. Right. Now go there. Once completed, enter username. I'm entering my original password. Okay. Just I'm clicking on sign in button. Is there any username or password visible here? Is there any username or password visible here? Visible or not visible? Visible or not visible? Never visible. Never visible. Reason? Never visible. Reason? Security. Security. Post is completely hiding the data. Completely hiding the data. Observe here. Never cache. No remind browser history. Cannot be bookmarked. No restrictions on data length. Check it once. No restrictions on data length. Am I clear? Post requests are never cached. Post requests do not remain in the browser history. Post requests cannot be bookmarked. So now what is the difference between get and post? Some people, Syed questioned me 2-3 times. Syed, come on. Come on, who said starting some words, some people not understood, this one, that one. Now you are clear or not? Tell me. Come on. Read this one. Data visible, data not visible, unsecured, highly secured, excellent performance, good performance, limited data, unlimited data, unable to upload files, not possible, and means can be cached, but here cannot be cached. Come on, my dears. After 45 minutes, you can tell me your opinion in the form of emojis. Understood or not understood, get and post. Thank you, Rudra. Temporary memory, Sai. Temporary memory. Clear? Anybody not clear, you can tell me. Thank you. Very good, Rudra. So give me time. Time is important. You need to listen. You need to listen. When I'm explaining theory concepts, you need to listen. When practical started, the things will be clear for you. I hope you understood what I'm saying. So get level we are using Bhuban get, post level we are using post. Depends on our usage. Depends on our importance. Security not important. Security not important. We are going with security not important. We are going with get. We are going with get. Security very important. We are going with very less data. Less data means we are selecting which one? Get. We are having more data. More data means we are selecting. That's it. Practically also is shown to you. Practical also you are perfect. Very good. Shall I move forward to another topic? By default get. If you are not using any method, by default what happened? If you are not using any method, by default what will take? Get will take. Very good. That is only Saturday, Bharadwaj. Sharing screens only Saturday. Doubt sessions, backup sessions only Saturday. Right. So generally you are getting this error. HTTP 404, file not found, 501, server unable to respond, 502, gateway is not responding. Anybody you heard this kind of errors? Come on, come on. Any of you guys heard these kind of errors? File unable to upload, 404, client side error. Right. Observe it. Generally, these errors we are calling as HTTP status messages. What we are calling? HTTP status messages. HTTP status messages. So 1XX, 2 2XX, 300 to 3XX, 400 to 4XX, 500 to 5XX. These messages related to here, some meaning is there. First, 100 to 199, actually 199, information related messages. I wrote already. All these messages are information related messages. These are successful messages. These are redirection messages. These are client-side messages. These are server-side messages. So these many messages are there. Is it possible to remember 599 messages? Not possible. Not possible. Not possible, my dears. But one point you can say, suddenly somebody asked one question. Boss, what is a 209? I don't know, but it is a successful message. You can say simply, 209 particularly I don't know, but it is related to successful messages. Somebody asked the question, what is 555? I don't know, but it is related to server side messages. Somebody asked you the question, what is 442? I don't know, but it is related to client side messages. Are you understanding what I'm teaching to you? Are you understanding, first of all, the range of messages? Come on, clear all these? Total, how many types of messages available? Total, how many types of messages available? 5 types. Total 5 types of messages available. Very good. Right. 100 to 1XX related to what messages? Come on, 100 to 1XX related to what messages? Come on. 200 to 2XX. What messages? Come on, come on. Now 300 to 3XX. What messages? Right, 400 to 4XX. Finally, 500 to 5XX. Any question on this range? Any question on this range of messages? Come on, everyone. All are clear. Right. Read once. Read once. After JavaScript, hurry. These errors required means after JavaScript. Right now, not possible servers, all those things. But one error I'll show you, or 2 errors I'll show you. For example, Google page level, NIT page is there. Then what it is giving? What message is this? Client side or server side? Come on. Client side message. Like this messages you are getting commonly. Like this messages you are getting commonly. So finally, get and post, everybody clear? Finally, get and post, everybody clear? Right. Okay, there are many other tags available. We can try to observe frames. So server level, we'll try to. So what you understood so far? HTML forms. Text box clear. Password box clear. Button clear. Checkbox clear. Radio button clear. Reset clear. List box clear. Come on, after that one, drop down. Check it, everybody. HTML forms, text box, password, button, checkbox, radio button, reset, drop down. Come on, field set, legend, get, post, HTTP status messages. Come on, guys. Any point doubt you can raise. Come on, everybody. Choice is yours. All these are forms only. Whatever I'm giving, all these are forms only. Oh my God. Legend already completed. Legend title. Legend is nothing but title. Drop down single selection already completed. Label static data. Links will come. Links will come. HTTP status message completed no just now. HTTP status message just now we did. Bhuban. Right, very good. List box versus drop down already completed, Saurabh. Anybody, what is the difference between list box and drop down? List box, multiple selection possible. Drop down, single selection possible. Drop down, only one item visible. List box, minimum 4 items visible. Come on. Drop down, best example, select your country. List box, best example, select your hobbies. Right, very good. Now I'm moving forward to frames. Frame, what happened? Deprecated. Deprecated meaning anybody? What is the meaning of deprecated? Deleted or removed it. Frame is currently we are using or not using? Frame set we are using, not using? Frame set we are using, not using? No frames. So how many? No frames. Right now we are using only, understand, only iframe. Remaining all tags are removed. Browsers not supporting. Why these are deprecated? Why all these are deprecated? Any reason? Not compatible, not compatible for smartphones. Not compatible for smartphones. Come on, not compatible for, not compatible for smartphones. Which is compatible? Which is compatible? iframe. Come to, for example, here. You can go to any YouTube environment. For example, you are going to YouTube environment. Just. If you're going there and just you can type HTML by me. Already is there, for example, something deprecated. Deprecated elements, I'm explaining to you very clearly all these resources. Go there and you are, for example, you are giving, right? Just you can take. Observe here the things. Copy embed code and put the code here. Are you getting? YouTube completely working based on check it everyone. YouTube completely working based on that. So you guys need to understand all these resources. Anywhere we can use Google. So why we are not using frames? Frames are not no bookmarking, no accessibility, no perfect designing, linking issues, back button does not work always, frames reduce the use of space, URL address always stays on the same level, create problems for printing, and clear limitations of frames, everyone. Many of you guys asked me frames like that. Are you getting a clarity on that? So now in this frames place, which tag we are using? In this frames place, which tag we are using? iframe we are using. Iframes defines an inline frame. It enables you present another HTML document within the same window. Typically, the frames takes up a small portion of the document. Inline frames are often used in audio, video, and advertising. It is a paid tag. It is a paid tag. Syntax iframe open, iframe close. Clear? Up to here, clear? Right. What are the attributes? Source available, scrolling existed, align existed, height existed, width existed, name existed, frame border existed. Shall I start examples now? Right. Iframe. What I'm giving? For example, I'm using oops. Iframe unable to support. What is the meaning of that? If iframe supporting, this part will display. Iframe not supporting, this part will be displayed. I hope you're understanding this word. Now, what is the first one? Source is equal to what I'm giving HTML5.png. Right, save it. Visible or not, completely can check it. HTML5.png. Image is not there. What? Check it, no issue. Image is not there. Okay, we'll give another image. C.jpg. But image also not there. Is there no C.jpg? Page.html. It is not visible. Go there. No problem. Images are there. HTML5.png also is there. 5.png. Okay, we'll check it. Scrolling auto, yes or no? Images. Now, iframe tag inside we can see. Yeah, iframe inside. We given wrong location. Correct? By default, scrolling yes or no? By default, scrolling is yes or no? I'm giving scrolling no now. Now I said scrolling no. Now scrolling visible or not visible? After that one, align. By default, align is which side? By default, align which side? Left side. By default, iframe left side. Now I'm giving align is equal to right side, I said. Come on, where it is visible now? Left side or right side? Very good. Align is equal to right side, perfectly working. Next one, height width. For example, I'm giving height is equal to, I said 200 pixels. Width is equal to 200 pixels. Check it. Working perfectly. Height and width working or not working? Come on, height and width working or not working? Perfectly working. After that, name JavaScript purpose, there is no use. By default frame border available, not available. Yes, by default frame border 1. By default frame border 1. I said, for example, frame border equal to 0. Now frame border visible or not visible? Come on. By default frame border 1 or 0? By default frame border is 1. By default frame border is 1. Come on. Name attribute in JS level I'll show you. JS means JavaScript level I'll show you. Remaining all are clear for you. Remaining all attributes clear for you. Source, scrolling, align, height, width, frame border. Come on, everybody. Right. Today, big list of examples are there for you. Today, big list of examples are there. Observe, I'm uploading the resources to you. Why inside paragraph tag I provided here? Why inside paragraph tag I provided? Any reason? Anybody? Why I provided paragraph tag? Very good. If browser supporting, this will be displayed. If browser not supporting, this will be displayed. I hope you understood. Browser not supporting iframe. If browser not supporting iframe, what message you are getting? If browser not supporting iframe, what message you are getting? Oops. Come on, guys, whatever we studied today. So now frames are available. So now frames are existed or not existed? Now frames existed or not existed? Why frames are not existed? Why frames are not existed? Not smartphone compatible. Not a smartphone compatible. Nowadays, which one entered? Which tag is supporting? Which tag is supporting? Iframe is from HTML or HTML5? Iframe is from HTML or HTML5? Very good. Great. So hope you people understood completely whatever the resources today provided to you. Practice all these resources perfectly. Practice. In the next session, I'm going to bigger area. What is that one? IMG tag. After that one, anchor tag. After that one, table tag. These are tomorrow tags. Clear? Assignments I'll give you on Friday. Assignments I'll give you on Friday. Thank you, everyone. Practice. Any question? Please question me. I'll be here another 10-20 minutes. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Everybody clear whatever I covered? Thank you. Bye, everyone. Don't get confused. Practice well. Do better way. Like you, everyone. Be concentrate. Every Saturday, backup session, doubt session. Friday, I'll give you assignment. I'll take backup session Ratna Kumari on Friday or Saturday, no problem. Thank you. Ask my administrative manager, they'll provide you. Saturday, I'll give you clarity about the live server already given last Saturday. Yes, your Nike, that is harmful to you. That time, JavaScript time, I'll show you how it is harmful. Any more technical queries? Already added Aquila, check it once. Already added in the Google Classroom. No, we can't put anything Sai. Only audio, video, images only. Who is this? Maturi Surendra. What happened, Maturi Surendra? HTML nodes already uploaded. HTML nodes already uploaded in the Google Classroom. Check it. Yes, workout Vandana. That time scrolling, yes, you can say. Raju already explained last Saturday Ramanjanelu. So next Saturday I'll show you once again live server. Okay. Meanwhile, you can practice copy path. Thank you. Bivu Prasad. Any doubts? Saturday I'll take the backup. Come on, in today's session, any more questions? In today's session, any more questions? Come on, guys. Come on, other members. Come on, any more technical? Come on, guys, any more? Go to the Google Classroom link and you can check it. Total nodes is there.